You're watching TinTon TV. Let's learn and play.
Humpty Dumpty sat up high, swinging little toes in the sky. Tintu shouted, "Careful now!" But Humpty laughed and took a bow. Wiggle, wiggle, oops, he slips. Round egg tumbled, flip, flip, flips, rolling down the wall so fast. Humpty, Humpty, kids all gasp. Bounce, bounce, bounce on the ground. Happy Humpty spins around. No crack today, he shouts with cheer. Tintu hugs him, "You're safe, my dear."
Up he jumps with a funny sound, doing egg dance round and round. Clap your hands and stomp the floor. Humpty wants to dance some more.